Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to restart the Nintendo Switch when frozen. So all you need to do is just hold down the power button and keep it held down until you see a black screen. Now, if your Nintendo Switch isn't frozen like mine, you may see this power menu. That doesn't matter because we're using hardware in order to turn off the Switch and we're not, tapping on the software. So once you hold down the power button for long enough, your Nintendo Switch will be turned off. Leave it for a couple of seconds. Through me saying that was enough time, and then just tap on the power button again. Now you should see the Nintendo logo, and your Nintendo Switch will turn back on again. So we should see the Nintendo Switch right here, and very soon we should see the lock screen, and boom, everything has been sorted. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to smash like, subscribe for brand new. Also check out my playlist. It's on the end screen you see on screen right now. If you don't see them, check it out in the description down below, because that playlist has a bunch of tips and tricks for the Nintendo Switch which you may not know. So if that does sound interesting to you, make sure again to check it out on the end screens you see right now or in the description down below. Make sure to leave a like if this tutorial did help you out. Subscribe if you're brand new. See you guys later. Bye bye.